My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet. I am not a big bag of wind. I like to get in, get out, and give you the information you need. I'm a national expert as far as it comes to IRS resolution matters. I've worked, 10,000 cases. I sat on an IRS desk in 1973 out of college. This is the only work I do. Worked at IRS over a decade, been on the outside for 40 years. I'm not only a national expert, not only work 10,000 cases, I have a huge Facebook group of actual tax professionals that follow me. So what I like to do is kind of pull back the curtain so you can see what an IRS agent is actually thinking on the case. So this is what I'm going to talk to you today about, is about if you owe IRS payroll tax cases. Serious subject, actually. I've worked, payroll cases alone, I'd say around 2,000 payroll cases. So I'm going to tell you what your best practice is so you understand. I used to knock on the door and I used to show my little badge commission. I'm saying, I'm with the IRS, I'm Mike Sullivan, you owe payroll taxes. So let me tell you what your best practice is for payroll. A lot of people don't need representation. When people call me or comment, I just tell them do it yourself. There's a lot of people, I'd say about 75% of the people I talk to, I just tell them what to do, but not on payroll tax cases. It's serious because it's not a tax. It's money you withheld from a check. So the first thing IRS is going to want to do is they're going to want to make sure all your tax returns are filed in your current for at least the quarter you're in. So if I'm representing you, the first thing I'm doing is I'm filing all your returns, and I'm making sure if you're in the second quarter, you've at least made deposits in second quarter. IRS wants to know you've stopped the problem, you're in compliance, and you're showing good faith. That's how that works. If you haven't done that, do that. If you call someone and they're representing you other than us and they're not telling you, leave that person and find someone, because that's the first thing the IRS agent is going to do. The next thing they're going to do is they're going to take two financial statements to determine how your case is going to be worked. They're going to take a personal financial statement, a 433A form, and a business financial statement, a 433B form. They're going to want to look at your inventory, your assets, your receivables. They want to know how much you can pay on a monthly basis. Most companies can't pay a thing. You can't. My guess is if you're listening to my video, you are just struggling to get by. IRS has a program for that, and that's called currently non-collectible. So if I can get all your tax returns filed, and I can at least start having you start making current deposits, IRS may go ahead and put you in currently non-collectible and let you at least get caught up for a series of times. So if you're having a payroll tax problem and you're afraid IRS is going to come out, knock on your door and close your doors, which they can, at least get your tax returns filed and get current. Once IRS sees that you're doing that, they're going to give you some slack. Next, you're going to have to get those two financial statements in order, documented, and give them to IRS. You have three options to close your case out. You may be able to settle this debt through the offer and compromise program. You may be able to get into a part pay agreement depending on your business financial statement, or IRS could put you in hardship for a period of time. So if you're having any problem with this, either go to your accountant, somebody near you, or if you want someone who really knows the system, you can call us for initial consultation. But those are the steps that I'm going to do. So a lot of these cases start at the service center, then they come down to the local office where they're a lot more serious, and a revenue officer is going to visit your business. They're going to take a tour, they're going to ask you for things and those financial statements. So if you have any questions, you can comment or you can call me or call your own person. By the way, if I'm giving you information you need, please give me a subscription. Apparently that's big to YouTube. I don't know. It helps me. Please, you're welcome to comment or call. Free consultations, all that. If you have comments, leave them. I try to answer all my questions by the end of the week. Thank you very much. Don't forget the subscription. Thank you.